Welcome to the online course of SAMWISE. As we've seen in the first video, CONOPS and VLOS, we proceed with the VLOS and initial evaluation step. So what happened if here we put VLOS? The process will be the same. We will be asked to enter the maximum operational height in meters. We will be asked to enter the maximum takeoff mass, the maximum characteristic dimension of the drone, and the velocity. So it won't change anything, but just SAMWISE will try to understand if the mission falls in the open category. So again, here if there are active NOTAMs or restricted area on or flight trajectory, so we proceed with the assessment. And now SAMWISE is asking if the mission falls in the open category. So by clicking on Delegating Act, we can see the list of regulation valid in our country. For example, if I click for Luxembourg, it could be regulation 945 of 2019 of the European Commission. Or if I click on Implemented Act, for example, I can see the regulation on the operation 947 of 2019. So we have all the regulation for our country over here. Now SAMWISE asks if we are flying over a gathering of people, because we want to understand if we are falling into an open category. And as displayed on the bottom of the page, on the right side, we have all the information about the open category. For example, the class, C0, C1, and all the information that we can use to proceed with SAMWISE. So in this case, if we select that we are flying on gathering of people and we proceed by clicking on next, it will take us to continue as specific, because we know that we will fly as specific if we fly over gathering of people. In case we select no, there will be new questions. Are you carrying dangerous goods? So if we say yes, SAMWISE says that this operation doesn't need a risk assessment. If we select not, we proceed with the SAMWISE assessment. Now it's asking if we are flying at least 150 meters from populated area. We can write yes, we can write obviously no. So in case we select yes, we just click on next. And as we can see, SAMWISE has understood that we are falling into an open category, the A3, where we find all the operational requirements. Sometimes for the open category, as we know, the risk assessment is not required, but if the requirements are too stringent, we can have it to demonstrate compliance to the authority. So SAMWISE now is saying that the SORA process is not mandatory, but if we want, we can proceed by clicking yes or no. So we proceed, for example, clicking on yes. And again, it's asked if we are carrying passengers of dangerous goods. So we say yes to complete to proceed with the assessment. Thank you for your attention. If you want more information on SAMWISE or if you want to carry out your SORA, go on www.online-sora.com.